Good morning, girls. In the last lecture of Oracle, we have studied the scope of PLSQL variables. Okay, there are basically two types of variables available in PLSQL. First one is local variable, and second is global variable. Local variables declared in an inner block and not accessible to the outer block. And the variables which are declared in the outermost block or a package can be accessible throughout your PLSQL block. This is the concept of local variable and global variable. We have gone through one example also, right, where we have declared some global variables as well as some local variable. Then next point we started in the last session is how to declare a constant in PLSQL block of Oracle. A constant is declared using the constant keyword. It requires an initial value and does not allow that value to be changed throughout the PLSQL block. That we have seen in the last session, right? Now, through the example, let us understand how the constant keyword works in Oracle. For that, we need to open our SQL editor window. Now, as we always do, set server output on. Set the variable, right? Then we'll start doing our program. Here in this program, we want to find a radius of circle, diameter and circumference of a circle. In the last session, I told you to go through the equation of all these three values, right? Let us start. Here I want to declare a value of pi as a constant. For that I will write pi. Pi is a name of constant. Here you can see pi is a name of constant. Then I wrote constant. This is a keyword. The data type of this constant is number, and with the help of assignment operator I have assigned a value to this constant, right? I repeat, here pi is a name of constant, then constant is a keyword to declare any number as a constant number, then data type. Here number is a data type of this constant, right? Then with the help of assignment operator you can assign a value in this number. As I told you that we cannot change the value of any constant throughout our PLSQL block, here also will not alter the value of pi. If you try to alter a value of this number, then you will get an error as a result. So let us begin. Switch to your Oracle window. Pi, constant, data type is number, and I want to assign a value 3.14. You can even truncate all these numbers, right? Okay, this is a value. Then terminate that statement with semicolon. Here we'll start with declaration section. As you know that PLSQL block has 4 sections: header section, declaration section, execution section and exception section, right? In that block, execution section is mandatory section, and all other three are optional. If you want to declare variables, then you can take declaration section. In this program, I want to declare some variables, that's why I am taking declaration section. You can even declare the constant number under the declaration section, right? So before we declare this constant, let us take declaration section. For that, what we have to do is just write the declare keyword. Then you can see the usage of comment. As we have already studied how to declare a single line constant. Then in the next line we'll write pi. Pi is a name of constant. Data type is number, and I want to assign a value 3.1415 to this constant number. Terminate the statement with semicolon. In the next line we will declare some other variables, right? So give the comment other declaration. Here we will declare 4 different variables of type number. All are of type numbers, right? First one is radius. Of type number. Length is 5, and precision value I want for this number is 2 only. My second variable is diameter. Again the data type is same, and length is also same. Third one is circumference. Data type is number, and the length is 7,2. 7 mention the total number of digits you can store in this variable, and then the second number, which is written after comma, this shows the number of digits after decimal point. Okay, here I want the precision of 2 numbers only. I want 2 digits after decimal point. Then to store the area, I will declare one more variable of type number, and the length is 10,2. For each variable I want the precision of only 2 digits after decimal place. Okay, then our next section start with the word begin. The process you want to do in this section, again this is our comment line. Here we want to find diameter and circumference, right? So here radius is 9.5, then diameter is equals to radius into 2. We can find the diameter through the equation radius into 2. Okay, how we can find the diameter of circle? It is radius into 2 times 2 times radius. Now circumference is 2 into pi into radius. The equation for finding the circumference of circle is 2 into pi into radius, or you can say 2 pi r. 2 into, here we are using our constant. You can see we can use the constant number in very simple way, as same as you can use it like a normal variable, 2 into pi into radius. Okay, this is an equation to find the circumference of circle. That's it. This is our processing area. Now what you want to display on the screen means output. Again, this is our comment line, and we will write dbms underscore output dot put line. dbms underscore output dot put line. First of all, I want to display the radius of circle, right? For that, what we have to do is single quotation mark, whatever you write inside this single quotation mark, that you will get as it is on your screen, right? I want to print radius, then I want to actually print the value of this variable. For concatenation, we can use pipe sign, and for the value we will write the name of variable. Okay, this one. So here I will write radius bracket is over. Next I will write the dbms again output dot put line. In the second line I want to print a diameter of circle. Diameter. Okay, this line will be printed as it is on your screen, then symbol of concat, and then name of variable. Variable for printing the diameter is dia, bracket is over and semicolon. Next line, circumference. For printing the circumference of circle, again take dbms underscore output dot put line. Circumference, this will be printed on the screen as it is. Okay, then pipe sign, and the name of variable is circum, bracket over. At last we will print the area of circle using the same method, output into bracket area, single quotation mark over, then pipe sign, and then the name of variable is area. As you can see here, we have not taken how to find the area, right? Radius is assigned, value or value to the radius is assigned, one value to the diameter is also assigned, circumference is also have one equation, but area is not defined, right? And still we are trying to print the value of area. Let us see what will happen. We'll do the correction later on through the notepad. Okay, end of our program. And for execution, slash mark. Here you can see the radius of circle is 9.5, diameter is 19, and the circumference is 59.69. We got all this value through this equations, right? But here area equals to nothing is shown. Why? Because we have not inserted how to find an area of circle, right? We have to assign one equation to area variable also. Now I want to do some changes in this PL/SQL block. For that, what you have to do is select all this code, open notepad, and paste your code over here. After circumference, you can type area, equation for area. Okay, here we will print the area through this equation, pi into radius. Here again we are going to use our constant value, pi into radius into radius. Okay, semicolon. Now select whole code, copy the content and paste it over here. Now you will get some value in area also. As you can see here, we have a one value which is assigned to area. This is an area of circle. So in this way you can use the constant in your program, and if you try to alter the value of this constant number, you will get an error. Let me show you. Here try to assign a new value to a constant 23, right? Execute the same code one more time and compile it. You will get an error at line number 15, right? Column 1, expression pi cannot be used as an assignment target. You will not come to know that what exact error is through this inbuilt error, right? Through this inbuilt error you will not come to know that what is an exact error. So always keep the things in your mind, do the proper coding, otherwise it is very difficult for us to find an error from our program. Okay, this is our actual code and here is an output. So this is example number 11 of constant. Note down this program in your journal. Example of constant, example number 11. Okay, in the next session we will discuss literals in PL/SQL. Okay, see you in the next session. Thank you.